Windy. Bricktown time. I wonder why they call it Bricktown. Bricks. Checks out. All right, so we are Midtown OKC right now at Elemental Coffee. Google says it has the best iced coffee in the US, the whole country. Let's find out if that's true. Day 2, yesterday was kind of a chill day, just getting acquainted. Made the drive over here to Fayetteville, Arkansas. We got Row Week going on this weekend. My buddy Zeke's got some dope concerts set up for us we're gonna be filming. But for now, check out our badass Airbnb. Where to start? So this was my 4th concert in the past. I've shot for Snails, Gas Leak, Galantis, Metro Boomin, Juicy J, Slander, and then this was my 4th gig. The difference between what we do compared to like Rory Kramer shooting the Chainsmokers or Gibson Hazard shooting Lil Pump, they actually work for the artist and tour with them. I work for a guy who books the shows. He works for these people that, you know, they reach out for, they want to get in contact with an artist and have them at this one private event, and he gets in there and he puts the two together. So I go out there, I shoot it, and I give him the video for his company. I don't actually hit up the artist and say, hey, this is for you. So this weekend was Chief Keef, and I was super stoked because I don't personally like his music, but rappers are just super fun to film. They put on a good show. They're running around, they're active, besides like a DJ who's like stuck behind their table. But guess what? He missed his flight. So, which is something I guess you do when you're a rapper. I mean, he pretty much, I don't know how much he was supposed to get paid. I can only assume he was saying no to like $20,000. So I guess that's just something you do when you're rich and successful. Kind of puts it into perspective on how wealthy those rappers are. Besides being bummed out because of that, I was actually bummed out because this vlog, I was gonna have my client in here and explaining, you know, the connection we have with each other and how maybe you can do what I do and reach out, maybe not to artists, but reach out to people who book shows. And that's actually a cool way to get yourself on stage filming these artists, even though you don't have a connection with them. But it was a super stressful weekend for them. Didn't want to bother them. But personally, I had a good time as always. But hopefully we sort out all this aftermath and I can get back out there. So thanks for watching.